Difference 1. The 2022 Toyota GR Supra introduced a new A91-CF Carbon Fiber Edition, which was not available in the 2020 model. This special edition featured a carbon fiber body kit, including a front splitter, side skirts, and a rear spoiler, offering a sportier appearance and improved aerodynamics compared to the 2020 model. Difference 2. The 2022 model saw enhancements in its multimedia system, featuring a larger 8.8-inch touchscreen display as standard across all variants. This marked an improvement over the 2020 Supra, which had a smaller display on its base trim, equipped only with the standard 6.5-inch screen unless upgraded. Difference 3. In terms of performance, the 2022 GR Supra maintained the two engine options, but offered a slight horsepower increase for the 3.0-liter inline-six engine, boosting it from 335 horsepower in the 2020 model to a more potent 382 horsepower in the 2022 version, enhancing its acceleration and overall drive dynamics. Difference 4. The 2022 Supra included updated steering and suspension tuning to provide a refined driving experience. These adjustments aim to improve handling precision and comfort, offering a more balanced ride compared to the 2020 Supra, which had received praise but left some desires for further refinement. Difference 5. Toyota enhanced the driver assistance and safety features in the 2022 Supra. The newer model included additional standard safety tech such as the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, which was either optional or not available in the base models of the 2020 edition, advancing the vehicle's overall safety profile. Difference 6. The 2022 Toyota GR Supra began offering wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay as part of its technology suite, reflecting a modern convenience upgrade over the 2020 model that required wired connections for smartphone integrations. Difference 7. The interior saw slight changes for the 2022 model with new upholstery options, allowing for a personalized and luxurious feel in terms of materials and color schemes that were different from the standard offerings in the 2020 version. Difference 8. The exterior colors and design options expanded in the 2022 GR Supra, introducing new paint finishes that were not available in the 2020 model lineup, thereby catering to a broader array of personal tastes and giving customers more choices for customization. Difference 9. In the 2022 model year, Toyota introduced improved and updated software for the driving and navigation systems. This included more advanced route options and traffic alerts, offering an overall better navigational experience than what was available in the 2020 GR Supra. Difference 10. In terms of pricing, the base model of the 2022 GR Supra came at a slightly higher starting price point compared to the 2020 model. This price increase accounted for the added features, improved performance, and enhanced technology offerings in the newer version. Difference 11. The 2022 GR Supra prioritized improved noise insulation within the cabin for a quieter ride. This was a direct response to feedback from customers of the 2020 model, where road and wind noise at higher speeds were noted as areas for improvement.